their knowledge extensively in a number of aspects, not necessarily only out of this facility. We had bus duct projects that we were very interactive with your engineer team. They were extremely helpful.
We're a full-range electrical distributorship, and we have customers in the commercial markets, the industrial markets, the institutional markets. And when customers buy something, they occasionally want to actually see how things are going and get an idea that things are on schedule in the manufacturing process.
For my customers, quick responses are always very important, especially in closing jobs. Eaton was very quick to respond, and they were very helpful. Sometimes they would talk to the customers as well, be kind of like a liaison in between, and that was very helpful in closing.
Actually, in comparison with other suppliers, I am more satisfied with Eaton on the services. Since I am an engineer and deciding on the engineering aspects of the panel or the equipment, Eaton is a very good, I have a very good relationship with a local representative, and I'm happy with it.
And as well with switchboards or panel boards that come out of this facility, there's always questions, challenges, a lot of back and forth, and it's always been very, very good. We have a wonderful, wonderful long-term relationship.
But they'd also like, if there are plant engineers involved, they'd also like to take a trip to these locations to see the actual fabrication of their electrical equipment, to see how well it's made. And having the satellite here, we're about an hour and a half away from most of our market, and it's a quite easy day trip to accomplish that.
I can tell you your PM team is fabulous. We've worked with them for the last few years, and they're second to none. They're always there to support us.